Have you ever yawned just because you saw someone else yawn? It's weird, right? But there's a fascinating reason behind it. Yawning is contagious because of a phenomenon called social mirroring. It's linked to empathy and how our brains connect with others. When you see someone yawn, your brains mirror. Neurons which help you mimic behaviors get activated. This response is stronger with people you're close to, like friends or family, showing it's tied to social bonding. Interestingly, not just humans experience this, chimpanzees, dogs, and even some birds catch yawns too. So, if you're yawning right now, blame your brain's empathy superpower, or maybe just lack of sleep. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.